Today, I'm going to be talking about my new Openroad 13,000 pound winch and why I'm replacing my Harbor Freight Badlands with this bad boy. So if you want to see what comes with this kit and why this is such a good value, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you what comes in this box, and actually it's pretty nice. So you do get like a nice little welcome card with a little bit of information about other products that they've got. You also get this really pretty nice big old sticker, so if you're a sticker type person, you get one of those. And then this instruction manual is probably one of the most impressive instruction manuals I've ever seen. But you know, I mean, it's got tons of pictures in it, tons and tons of information, kind of how to operate it, suggestions for operating it, how to hook it up to your battery, how to use the winch cable, how to clean things out. Again, nice pictures. So again, versus a lot of these things that you just don't get any instructions for, this is really, really nice. So that's nice of them to include. Then on top of that, you get a big old heavy duty negative battery cable. You do get sort of one of these standard hook style things for it. I actually have a factor 55 flat length that I'm going to be moving over from my old winch onto this one, but that's nice. I mean, at least you've got everything you need, and then you've got a little rope here that you can use to, you know, hang on the front to make yourself look like an overlander, which is always good. You get some nice heavy duty hardware here, nuts, bolts. These will fit up into square holes on the bottom of the winch, which will keep these from spinning and then allow you to put your bolts through. So it just makes install a little bit easier. And then there's this little plastic handle on top, which I'm assuming is your clutch handle to engage and disengage the clutch for your winch. When I open this up, here is the winch itself. So as you can see, this is a beefy unit. It does have the solenoid mounted on top, but you can remote mount this solenoid, and that's probably what I'm gonna have to do just to make it fit inside my bumper. It does come with really nice, heavy duty, heavy gauge wires, which is of course what you want to see on a winch because it does draw a good amount of power. Also in the box you get one big old heavy duty wired controller as a backup for me. I'm going to use it as a backup. Then you also get two wireless remotes, which is really, really nice. My Badlands had one wireless remote and it actually stopped working. I think that's part of the problem with my old winch. It kind of stopped working. The wireless system stopped working, and I don't even have the cords. When I bought my truck, I didn't get the cords with it to be able to make it wired. So it's nice to have this, you know, wired backup that I will just keep in my center console, plus these two wireless ones that I will probably primarily use. But you get tons of nice features in this thing for the money, and this thing's a really good steal of a deal. I will put a link in the description down below to where I picked this up and how much it is. But for two wireless controllers plus a wired controller, it's actually pretty budget friendly. Also in the box down here, kind of hidden, an Openroad hat. So if you want a hat, there you go. Kind of nice. And you do get a fairlead with it. Pretty nice looking black fairlead that says Openroad on it. So again, just if you don't have a fairlead, this is everything that you need to install a winch on your vehicle all in one box. So I went with the 13,000 pound winch. It also comes with synthetic line, and as you can see, it's really good quality, heavy duty synthetic line. So if you're not a steel cable person, then this is a great option as well. And then this looks like this is where your clutch handle is going to go. So that just goes right on top there. So I mean, again, it's really, really simple. It comes with awesome instructions. So overall, a really nice winch for the money. All right, guys, so that was the Openroad 13,000 pound winch. Again, I'm super excited about this thing. I'm working on building the truck overall. This year, there's going to be a lot of changes coming to the truck. I've got a lot of new gear going on this thing, and I'm building it for a couple of really big trips. So specifically, if you're a Nissan person, definitely consider subscribing because there will be a ton of new overlanding build stuff. But regardless of whether you're a Nissan person or not, if you're just looking for like ideas for how to build stuff, especially do-it-yourself stuff and on a budget, then you're going to see a ton of that stuff on this channel as well, and I would love to have you as a subscriber. Also in the description down below will be links to this winch that I mentioned. So again, go check it out. For the money, this thing is a steal. This is the same winch that Matt from Ozark Overland Adventures runs. Will from Venture to Rome actually connected me with these guys. So special thanks to Openroad for sending me this winch. When I get it installed, again, I'm going to be doing some sort of torture testing with it. I'm going to be using it on a bunch of trips over the next year or two, and I'm going to be reporting back and kind of giving you guys my thoughts once I get to actually use the winch. But wanted to share what came in the box and all the cool stuff that comes with it. Again, so far, just initial impressions, super impressed with it, so can't wait to test it out. Also in the description down below will be links to my social media channels, so wherever you want to come hang out, I'd love to hang out with you. There will also be links to my Patreon page where we have a Discord and we all kind of chat 24/7, and then there's also the Newbie Overlanders Facebook group. Totally free to join, tons of awesome people in there, and it's growing every day. So if you're looking for a place where you don't get beat up and you don't have to deal with all the constant meme wars and things, then definitely check out that group. But again, thanks for watching. Hopefully you got some good info. If you have questions, post up in the comments down below, and otherwise we will see you guys next time.